Alright, so in this video I will show you how to use our BrickFinder algorithm, and you can use this to find profitable sneakers yourself online or in an outlet, in a sneaker store, wherever you want. So maybe it will be a bit difficult at the very beginning because if you're looking at this, I can imagine, okay, what are all the numbers, etc. But I will explain this all to you, and we actually made it in a way that it's very easy to use, and basically idiot proof. So that means that anybody can use it to find some good profit themselves. So the algorithm runs outside of Discord, but we made a Discord bot that will let you talk to the algorithm and basically give the algorithm commands. So depending on your region, you can see here on the left side the BrickFinder category, and you can see one of these channels, right? So one of the BrickFinder region channels. So and in that channel you can already see some commands from other members, and also some responses from the Discord bot containing all like the metrics and information provided by our algorithm. So basically what you do is, for example, in this video I will only use alias, which is gold. I will only use alias as example. So you always start the command with the dot and then alias. And then what you need to do is you need to write down the sneaker style code, right? So in this case, for example, this is the style code DD1869-110. So here we go. Then you want to write down the price. So let's say we paid 79 euro, right? And then you press enter to send a message, and the BrickFinder Discord bot will reply and will then give you the all metrics, like the algorithm results. So and then you get this response. So what is this response? So it will of course display your resale platform, the style code, the purchase price, the brick score, more about that in a second, average SPM, average GP, and then of course this metric table. So SPM stands for sales per month. So this shoe is selling for 70 times a month on average over all the sizes displayed in this table. And on average, again, over all sizes in this table, we will make 60% profit. Then the brick score is basically a small calculation we added based on our experience and all that stuff, where we give the sneaker, we give them a score between 1 and 10, and the higher the score, the better the brick is, like the more profitable, the faster selling, and also it looks also at the current market situation, right? So for example, the shoe has been selling for $161, but now if there are a lot of undercutters on, let's say, $100, then this will have a huge effect on the brick score, right? So the brick score then will be lower. So this is all included in the brick score, and it basically gives us the possibility to quickly determine if a shoe is very good or very bad with like one look, right? Because hey, brick score 9, that's very good. If we scroll up a bit, we have here brick score 6, so that's already a lot worse. And then brick score 5 is even worse, and brick score 4 is something you might want to skip, so you don't want to buy any shoes with a brick score 4, in my opinion. So basically my advice would be to, if you're starting out, not go lower than a brick score of 6, right? 6 out of 10. That's a pretty good score. Yeah, so let's talk about like the metrics. So this is all average information, right? This is all averaged on the information you find in this table. And in this table, you can actually see all the data, all the metrics per size. So again, we have the size, the SPM, sales per month, SRP, which stands for suggested resale price, and that's basically the price where you can sell the shoe for. GP is gross profit based on the price where you bought, like your purchase price, and also the SRP. GPM, gross profit margin, and again the brick score per size, right? So yeah, that's basically it. So all sizes are displayed, and then you can just have a look at, okay, what size is the best size. So I don't know, probably size 9, because it has a profit margin of 70% and 100 sales per month. But also, of course, size 9.5, size 10, size 10.5. These are all very good sizes to buy. So that's basically how you use the bot and how you use the metrics, right? So maybe it takes a little bit of time to get used of it, to get used to it at first, but yeah, it's pretty easy to use. So also a good thing to know is that the bot almost like is supporting all major currencies. So for example, I can also use sterling pound. And then, as you can see, the results are always in US dollars. But as you can see, like the results are different, right? So here I make only $29 profit on size 7.5. But if I buy it for €79, I actually make $46 in profit, right? So this is just the difference in the worth of the currency, right? And if I don't use any currency at all, then it's automatically set to US dollar, and then your purchase price will be $79, right? Another example will be and now I'm tested on Australian dollar, right? Tested on my currencies. But yeah, as you can see, it works flawlessly, and it will always have like a live conversion rate. So it will always take like this information is really solid, right? The conversion rate is always live. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. Also, if you click on guide, you will get to the page where this video was listed. If you have any suggestions, you click on suggestions, and if you want to refer a friend to BrickRadar, you can, and you also get a commission on their monthly subscription as well. So it's a good deal you're getting. If you have any questions, please contact the member support, and yeah, we will see each other soon.